Guys, am I the only one this thing or annoys seeing extra wiring in the house? So I got angry and I got a white electrical tape to cover up the imperfections, and this is me doing it carefully and neatly. Yeah, the tape is small, so I had to use 2 lines of the tape to cover the imperfections. And here we go, an optical illusion from just magical tape. It looks as though I used paint to cover up the imperfection. Do you love this? Yeah, so this is me using another line of tape to cover the bottom, because even though you can barely see the down, but I still had to cover it because I'm a perfectionist. Yeah, that's me. Will you try this in your home? Because I know a lot of you do extra sockets and the wiring can be annoying. It can make your house look disorganized. Will you try this? Let me know what you think about this hack in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. This is me also getting angry and also doing the same for my television wire. Yes, I don't want the wire to be hanging down. Like, I don't like it. I love beautiful things. I love things organized and beautiful. And I extended this to even as low as wiring in my house. This is an electrical tape, and it can be gotten in a craft shop. It can also be gotten in an electrical shop. So just, if your wall is painted green, you can get a green tape. If your wall is painted white, you can get a white tape. If your wall is painted black, you can get a black tape too. So I'm doing another layer to hold it well, hold it properly. Yes, that's it.